Hello everyone, welcome to Impulse Academy, and today I'll be giving you another mathematical tricks that will be very helpful for the calculation purpose, okay, in the competition exams also and in normal calculations also. Now today I will be showing you another trick that is of multiplying two-digit number with any two-digit number or multiplying any three-digit number with any two-digit number, okay. So now if we'll take any three-digit number or two-digit number, suppose 26 multiplied by 59, okay. If we take this number, okay, if we want to do this calculation in a very quick way, what we can do is we can just multiply 2 into 10, okay. So 2 into 10, that is like this, okay. You need to write like this. Now 6 nines are 54, okay. So 1054. Now we need to multiply these two terms, that is 6 into 5. We write here 6 into 5, that is equals to 30, and then multiply 2 into 9, so that is 9 into 2, that is 18, and now add these two terms, so it will be 48, okay. Now we need to write this 48 leaving this last unit place, so we'll write 8 and 4 here, okay. So this is 48. Now just add this, so you will get 4, 8 plus 3 is 13, 8 plus 5 is 13, 13 plus 1 carry, and it will be 5, 1534. So answer will be 1534. Isn't it simple? Okay, so we'll try another example. Just let's take 86 into 93, okay. This is a huge number, we need to multiply. Normal multiplication will be more lengthy process. So what we will do is 8 into 9, 8 nines are 72, okay. 8 nines are 72, we need to do here. Now 6 threes are 18, okay. 6 threes are 18, we need to write here. So we need to make the 4-digit number by writing like this, 72 and 18, okay. Now we multiply 6 into 9, so we need to multiply 6 into 9. 6 nines are 54, okay. Now 8 into 3, 8 into 3 will be 24. Now we need to add this. After adding, what you will get, 8 and 7, 78, okay. Leaving this unit place, you need to write 78, so 8 here and 7 here, okay. Now add this, so it will be 8, 9, 9, 7, okay. So the answer will be 7998. Okay, so let's take another example, okay. So if we write 23 into 32, okay. If we have this example, okay, so then what you need to focus here is, if you will multiply 2 into 3, it would be 6. So you don't need to write 6 here. You need to write in a 4-digit form, so we'll write 06. This is the only case when there is only single digit come after multiplying. So we need to write into a 2-digit form, so we'll write 0 in the front of 6. Now 3 twos are 6, so again we'll write 06. This is how we need to form the numbers, okay. Now you need to multiply 3 into 3, so this 3 into 3 will be 9, and 2 into 2, that is 2 into 2, that is 4. Now just add this number, it would be 13, okay. So now leaving the unit place, you will write 3 and 1 here. Now add them, it would be 6, 3, 7, it would be 736. Now let us take the 3-digit number, multiply with 2-digit number. So here, if 136 multiply with 20, okay, let's take a bigger number, 86, 85, okay, we'll take it like this, okay. So what we need to do is, we need to take this 2 number together as a block and this 6 together, okay. So this 2 will be a unit, 1 unit, and this will be 1 unit, okay. Here 8 is obviously individual and 5 will take another individual, okay. So now 13 into 8, okay. So 13 into 8 is 13 into 8 कर लो, 13 into 8, 8 से 24, 2 carry, 8 104. Okay, so here it is 104, So we need to write 104 as it is. Okay. Now 6 into 5. 6 into 5 it will be 6 into 5 it is 30. So we'll write 30 here as it is 30. Okay. So we have form a 5-digit number. Okay, no issues. Now we need to again multiply this to 8 into 6. 6 8s are 48, and again 5 multiply with 13. 13 multiply with 5, 15, 1 carry 5 and 65. Okay, now add these two numbers. So 8 plus 5 is 13, 1 here 11, 113. Okay, so leaving just a unit place, you will write 113 and just add them. You will get the answer. So it would be 0 6 5 1 1 11560. 11560 is the answer. Okay, so let's take another example of 3-digit multiplied by 2-digit, that is 596 multiplied by 94. ओके, बहुत डिफिकल्ट है, बहुत बड़ा लगेगा, ठीक है, बट अपने को उससे नहीं करना है. फर्स्ट वी नीड टू टेक दिस टू टर्म्स टुगेदर एंड दिस टर्म टुगेदर and then 9 and then 4. Okay, we need to just take 10th term and 100 terms together. Okay, and unit place, you need to divide the unit place with the tens and 100 place. Okay, so now first step is 59 into 9. Okay, so 59 into 9, 9 nines are 81, 1 here, 8 carry here, 8 5 nines are 45, 45 plus 8 is 45 plus 8 is 53. So it is 531, 531. Okay, now multiply this to 6 4s are 24, 6 into 4 24. So you need to write 24 like as it is. Then 6 into 9, 6 9s are 54. Directly I can write 54, so let's not write directly. 6 into 9 54, and then 59 into 4. Okay, now 59 into 4, 9 4s are 36, 3 carry here, 5 4s are 20, 23. Okay, now we need to add these two terms. So it would be 0, 1 carry here, and it would be 9, 290. So we need to write, leaving this unit place, we need to write 290, 0, 9, 2. Then I add them. It would be 4, 2, 0, 1 carry here, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 5. So it is 56,024. This is the answer. It is a very simple and a very quick trick. So I hope you like this trick. Please subscribe and keep watching and share with your friends. Thank you.